Hi everyone, welcome to Maths. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions, exercise 5.2, question 20. So this is the last question in this exercise 5.2. So this question exactly like question 19 that we solved. Same way we have to do it this also. So Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find n. So let's see the first week how much saved. So Ramkali savings, because we are going to write every week. So Ramkali savings in the first week. Okay. In the first week is rupees 5. Okay. So then the second week, see, in the first week he saved rupees 5, then first week of a year, and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. So every week it is increased by 1.75. So that means second week it will be rupees 5 plus rupees 1.75, which will give us 5 rupees, then 1.75. So 5, 7, 6. So will be 6.75. So first it was 5, then it is 6.75. Then let's see third week. Third week it will be 6.75 plus 1.75, which will give us 6.75 plus 1.75. 10, 1, 15, 1 carried 4, 7, 8. Will be 8.50. So it will be 8.50. So this now became an AP. So let's write down. So the AP that is formed is first 5, then 6.75, then 8.50, and then we have to find out in which week. Okay, in which week it will be, what is that? 20.75. 20.75. So we don't know. So we have to find out in which week it will reach 20.75. So this is up to third week only. Then in 4 we don't know afterwards. We cannot go on calculate one by one. We can't calculate. So that's why we use the formula and find out. So let's find out the nth value. So now here it will be first 5, then second 6.75, then third 8.50, then dot because we don't know, and the last will be 20.75. So we have to find out the number of terms. So now this we consider as, this will be A or A1, A2, A3 dash dash. This will be our AN. So A value is what here? A is 5. Then D would be, that is 6.75 minus 5. 6.75 minus 5. It will give us 5, 7, 1. So 1.75. So 1.75. Then we have AN, that is 20.75. So we don't know n value. So that's a question of find n. So let's put the values in the formula. That is AN equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So A value, AN is what? AN is 20.75. A is 5 plus n we don't know, we have to find out. D is 1.75. So now 20.75, this plus 5, let us bring it to this side, it will become minus. Then we have n minus 1, 1.75. So let's subtract this 20.75 minus 5. So minus 5. And after decimal 0, because it is whole number it is 5. So 5, 7, so from 10 become 5, it will become 1. So we will get 15.75 equal to n minus 1, 1.75. So now let's bring this 1.75 to this side. So it will become 15.75 divided by 1.75 equal to n minus 1. So let's divide this. So whenever decimals are there, what we do after the decimal, how many digits are there? Accordingly, we will add the 0. Okay. So to remove the decimal, we remove the decimal, so we multiply by 100. So same way here also, because 2 digits, so 2 0. So here also we remove the decimal, so then we'll have 175. So after decimal 2 digits, so we'll multiply with 100. Okay, so now we have n minus 1. So now 100 gets cancelled. Now you try to divide this. Since 5 is here also, in ones place here also 5 is there. So can we divide this with table 5? So let's divide here, that is 1575. If we are dividing with table 5, then 3 5s are 15. So gets cancelled. This 75 will come down. Then 75, how many 5s are there? Here 1 5 70. Okay, let's bring one by one. 7 is down. So 1 5, then 7 minus 5 will be 2. So then let this 5 come here, then 5 5s are 25, 0. So if we are dividing 1575 with table 5, we are getting 315. So 315. Now 175, let's divide with 5 only. Both we have to divide with the same table. So with 5, when you divide, 3 5s are 15, then 2 you will get, then this 5 comes down, so 5 5s are 25. So then 175 when we divide, we are getting 35. So 175 when we divided with 5, we get 35. So now again with table 5 you can divide this, then you will get 315, 5. So how many 5s will be? 6 5s are 30. So 1, this 5 is there. 3 times 5 will give us 50. So 63 again. So we'll have 63. Now 35 you divide with the 5. 5 7s are 35. So will be 7. This you can, whichever way you want to divide, you can divide. Directly also you can divide. Now table 7, how many times? 6 3s are there. 9 times 7 will give us 63. So 9 equal to n minus 1. So let this minus 1 come this side. It will give 9 plus 1 will be, that means 10 equal to n. So that means 10th week. So we are only finding out in which week, right? We are finding out in which week it will become 20.75. So it is in the 10th week Ramkali saves. So Ramkali savings. So Ramkali's savings in 10th week. 10th week will be 20.75. That's our answer. That's it. Thank you and God.